Wow, another heavyweight. Gusto mo bang ilagay sa bulsa mo ito? Yung ganito kakapal na bakal. Ang bigat. So hello there mga kabalisong, katalim, mga fellow knife enthusiasts. Teka muna, nakapag-subscribe ka na ba? Kung hindi pa at sa tingin nyo matino naman itong laman ng channel natin, huwag nang mahiyang pindutin yung pulang rectangle dyan sa baba. So here we are again with yet another balisong. Naiibang itsura nito. This is an all steel construction. Ito ay nanggaling kay Giron, House of Blades. Unang nakita ko itong design na ito, nakapost sa Facebook page nila, and I said, wow, it's kakaibang design itong all steel. Yung nakapost pala is all all brass na kapit for the entire length of the handle. So I asked kung pwedeng gumawa ng ganon in stainless. So ginawa naman ako ng stainless, and then when it arrived, I was kind of surprised how thick this thing is. Yun, 281 grams. So mahigit 1/4 kilo ang timbang nito. Let's open it. There. Labaha na naman, dahil sabi ko nga, I wanted to get a labaha blade from all of the popular makers sa Batangas. So what's very obvious here is the thickness of the scales. Halos magkasing kapal yung blade stock and the handle scales. So that is why napakabigat ng kutsilyong ito. I don't know if I'm gonna carry this thing. Pag pinasok ko ito sa shorts ko, mahuhubo ang shorts ko. 20 cm overall length nito, but ang timbang niya is mahigit 1/4 kilo. I didn't know kasi na ganito kakapal yung stainless na mailagay dito. In the first place, itong brass casing napakatibay na nito. So maybe half of the thickness of the stainless would be more than enough scales para dito sa knife na ito. But then yan lang siguro ang stainless na dimension na available, so that's why yan ang nailagay. So ito ay single pin lang, which means pag sinara mo ito, the edge will smack right into the brass case. Ito, kwadradong kwadrado. Maganda siyang tingnan, lalo na pantay-pantay ang pagkagawa, very asymmetrical naman. But the inconvenient part of this is yung pagbukas, kasi yung pabilog kasi parang kang may mahawakan eh. Ito wala eh. So parang you really have to use the other hand to open it. And it's got a sharp angle here. Medyo matalas siya. Pag nahulog ito sa paa mo, naku, patay ang kuko mo nito. Now let's see the blade again. Okay, sa lahat ng labaha blades ko, parang ito lang na iba, dahil most of them are full grind siya na hollow grind. Hanggang spine yung bevel niya. Samantala ito, this is what I mean. Itong isa ay hanggang dito yung bevel niya, hanggang spine talaga. Samantala ito hanggang dito. So which means that this efficient ito as a slicer over this one. I don't know if mahatalas ba ito. In fairness, matalas siya. Hindi nga lang siya talaga ganun ka-slicey dahil sa kapal nitong part nito. Okay, I can feel the dullness dito na part because ito yung tumatama sa dito sa brass scales. This one came a little bit high sa presyo, medyo mataas ang presyo niya compared sa ibang mga balisong Batangas natin. Perhaps because of the thickness of the materials na ginamit dito. Siyempre, pag makapal yung bakal na gagamitin, more stainless steel has been used. So, that's probably why mas mahal siya. So, with all due honesty, itong mga balisong ko naman talaga is more of a novelty. So, when it comes to practicality, I have to be honest here. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-practical. Especially this thing. Do I really want to carry this thing? I don't think so. Because if I wanna carry it for the purpose of cutting stuff or EDC, there's a lot of better options. Really. Especially sa mga folding knives. Sa folders kasi marami tayong option. You can either have an expensive one or maybe a cheaper one. I would say that these two are much better options than this one, balisong natin. Sa presyong nakuha natin ito, it would be equivalent to the price of this one, a CRKT Pilar folding knife. Ma-consider natin ito na nasa cheaper side ng mga folders, no? But this one's got D2 blade steel, a much better steel than sa mulye natin. G10 handle scales, aluminum dito sa frame lock side. And when it comes to sharpness, hindi hamak na mas ano naman talaga. Mas matalas itong mga folding knives natin. Madali rin siya lang i-sharpen to razor sharp. Na katalas. Maybe if this was priced a little bit lower, then it may impress me a bit. Pero sa price tag nito, I don't think so. This one is a good build for a much lower price. See the difference sa craftsmanship. Materials used, stainless din ito, but this one's got better details. Well, anyway, isa sa purpose naman natin that we acquire these balisongs from different makers all over the country para makita natin yung latag ng mga produkto, at perhaps with this videos can help guys decide kung saan bibili, saan medyo makamura, saan magandang quality, saan, at least I can give my input when it comes to sa kalidad ng produkto at presyo ng mga balisong. I don't know what else to say about this paperweight. Dadalhin ko ito sa opisina siguro para yung gawin kong paperweight ba, kasi maganda flat na flat siya yung bang stack of paper, and para ayaw muli pa rin ng electric pan. Yan, I'm imagining gaano kabigat ang 29 nito pag ganito. So I think that's it for now. Stay safe everyone, stay sharp of course.